Are you tired of your photos looking messy or unprofessional even after hours of editing? That's where Canva comes in. It's one of the easiest tools for editing photos. You don't need any professional skill or complicated software. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist. Today I'll show you some simple and powerful Canva photo editing tips and tricks. These tips will help you to make your photos look clean, beautiful and professional, which will be perfect for social media presentations or personal use. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. The first tip we are going to talk about is remove background. Ever get frustrated with messy backgrounds ruining your perfect photo? Here's how to fix it in seconds. Click on your photo, then go to edit image, then click on background remover. Canva automatically erases the background, leaving your subject clean and ready to use. This is perfect for product photos, portraits or creating collage without distracting clutter. Even on the free version, you can crop creatively or use frames to mimic background removal. Moving on to tip 2, filters and adjustment. Ever wonder why some photos just don't pop? Sometimes all it takes is a little adjustment. Click on edit image, then click on adjust. Here you can tweak brightness, contrast, saturation and you can play with the elements too. Increase brightness to lighten up dull images. Adjust contrast to make details stand out. Tweak saturation to make colors vibrant or soft and subtle. Let me give you a pro tip for it. Apply a filter first, then fine-tune the settings manually for a professional look. Now comes to tip 3, text and elements. Ever look at a photo and think something is missing? Then just add a text box, experiment with fonts, sizes and colors. Use shadows or outlines to make text stand out. Add some shapes, stickers or icons to emphasize points or make your design fun. And the pro tip is just use Canva's alignment and spacing tools. A well-aligned layout instantly looks professional. Now let's jump on to some advanced tricks. Want to take your photos from good to wow? Here are some tips. Try duotone effects to give your photo a modern style. Duotone adds a modern color vibe. Use transparency to layer images without clutter. Organize multiple photos with grids and frames for a clean collage. For this, the pro tip is duplicate an image, apply different filters and layer them with transparency. It instantly looks creative and professional. Now it's your turn to create your image. Open Canva and try these tips in your next project. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and comment down below which tip you loved the most. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video.